So this is going to be a buildup brush. So I don't want it to look exactly the same. We could try some different dabs here. This one's a little different. Now this has a dual brush tip, so I want to change both tips there. And just kind of see what works. This is what I do. I just experiment. I have some idea of what it is that I'm going for. And I, of course, know what all these properties do from having used them in many different art applications. But it's really just experimenting that gets you the best results. Sometimes you just turn random dials and click random buttons and you get something good. Other times it's very deliberate, and you know, if it's a less intricate brush, you know exactly how to dial it in. Is it an airbrush? Is it a pen? Etc. It's also good just to like have your other brushes here so you can see what it is that you've done already so that you don't repeat yourself. So this looks distinctly different, has the same behavior though. So then what we can do is we can go to blending mode and we can make this multiply. Now when I paint, it builds up on itself. It's kind of nice. And then it's the same deal if I use lighter pressure. And then I decide, do I want it to have opacity variation, or do I want to use that pressure expression for something else? I think I'd like to use it for something else. So in opacity, we're going to unlink that. I think we've got mix going on, which is going to create a kind of an opacity effect. So I'll decide whether or not I want to keep that. I'm going to say probably I don't want it, since this is a buildup brush. So what I do want to use this expression for then would be something like size, and it is already linked to size. So as you can see, I can vary the scale of these features. Makes the brush more versatile. You can get stuff in the background, stuff in the midground, and then trees in the foreground. Or let's say you just want variation to the trees. You know, some trees are kind of chunky in the middle and finer near the edges here, because that's how the leaves grow. So I don't have to finish this brush to completion. This is pretty good. I can overwrite this preset, clear the thumbnail, make a more representative icon, and save it. I get all these prototype brushes done, you know, refine them a little bit at a time, and then once I have a set of brushes, then I flesh them out to completion.